remaining values. ఇప్పుడు నేను ఫుల్ 42 మెంబర్స్ జాయిన్ అయ్యారు. Good afternoon. Today section is IPv4 addressing, Internet Protocol version 4 addressing. I already shared this link in the chat box. We are going to IPv4 addressing. You can look at here. Aim is to give IP address of different classes in the given network ID. Theory, you are going to study. There are 5 classes here. We are going to discuss class A, class B, class 3. So how the addressing takes place in these classes. Class A, class B, class C, then pretest is not required. If you want to calculate the range, class C means first all 355s. If it is assigning dynamically, automatically there is dynamic. IPv4 is 32-bit addressing. IPv6 is 64-bit. So this is first one is, you can look at here in these options. The network mask 255, this is class A, this is class B, and this is class C. We are going to use this mask addresses for class A and class B and class C. 255 remaining all zeros. 255, 255, 00 is class B. 255, 255, 255, 0 is class C. The procedure, the aim is to give the IP address to the PCs. Here a choice list should be given, defined in the classes. For every class we need to mention the IP addresses. The user has to select the class in which they choose to give the IP address. Here we are going to look for three classes, class A, class B and class C. After that we need to enter the network ID, and user has to enter the IP address according to the network ID. Then click on the submit button as similar yes. While coming to the simulation part, so here we have to look for class A as class B as well as class C. First to look for class A, select class A and submit. So here this is the given address. The first field is always 25 in all IPv4 addresses. 25, 25, 25. As I told you, mask is 255, 0, 0, 0. 255, 0, 0, 0. 255, 0, 0, 0. Here in this address you can give any value between 0 to 255. Let us say 125, 187, 194, 297, 60, 1, 25, 68. Then click evaluate. So PC1 in network, PC8 is also in network, and PC3 is also in network. So these are the few things you need to. This is a separate mask for class C, 255 all zeros. Then 255 all zeros. Then 255 all zeros for class A. So in the IPv4 address, the first one is fixed 25. So we need to give the same 25, 25 and 25. The remaining fields any value between 0 to 255. Okay, this is about class A addressing in IPv4 version 4. It is a 32-bit addressing. So here there are 4 bytes. Now let us look at class B. Select class B and submit. You can observe the first two fields are fixed 179, 44. 179, 44. 179, 44. 179, 44. Here I am not changing the third and fourth bytes. Subnet mask should be 255, 255. Here without changing the second 0 to 255, I am selecting evaluate. So not in the network because the second fields are zeros here. The second fields must be 255, 250, also 255 mask address. Now let us evaluate. All are in network. You can observe here first two fields are same. So whatever the values you will get here, those things you need to keep. Then if you look at the subnet mask 255, 255, 0, 0. 255, 255, 0, 0. Then 255, 255, 0, 0. So the subnet mask is common for class B. Okay, the first two fields are same in IPv4 address. So this is about class B. While coming to class C, select class C and submit. Here the first three fields are common. 205, 205, 205. Second field is 137, 37, 37, 137. What are the values you will get? Here those values you need to enter. Third field is 71, 71, 71. Fourth one is any value between 0 and 255. Subnet mask should be 255, 255, 255, 0. Here I am not entering the third field 255. Again I am evaluating. Not in network because the third field is 0. 255, 255, 255. Evaluate. So this is IP addressing, IP version 4 addressing. So these three things you need to verify and you need to keep this screenshot in your record. Okay. So and I will share the link with you, drive link. Then you have to upload the things. Is it clear now? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you people are coming to the college to during the exams? Or you are writing at by staying at home? Answer the question, man. Nothing will happen, right?
From home, sir.
What about hostlers?
I don't know about them. So like most of the hostelers are there in the hostel.
So they are staying back at hostel and are writing exams, huh?
I don't know about that, sir.
Okay. Please respond now. Any hostlers? Because I will get the information right. Whether I have to come to the class or not, those things I will get an idea. If you are coming to the college, I have to come to your class and deliver the lecture. Please respond now, hostlers. Please raise the hands if you are an hostler in Zoom. You don't want to respond. Okay. Now I will share the link. Now please look at the chat box now. So I shared the drive link in the chat box. There you need to upload your record.